हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम देखेंगे कटिया के सेशंस। कटिया का सेशंस में फर्स्ट सेशन है इंट्रोडक्शन टू कटिया। व्हाट इज कटिया? कटिया is computer aided three-dimensional interactive application is the robust and versatile software suite developed by Dassault System. It is primarily used for computer-aided design (CAD), computer-aided manufacturing (CAM), and computer-aided engineering (CAE), 3D modeling, and product lifecycle management (PLM). Next, design intent in CATIA. Design intent refers to the strategic planning and decision-making process during the creation of a CAD model to ensure that the model behaves predictably when changes are made. This concept is crucial in CATIA to maintain the integrity and functionality of a design throughout the lifecycle. It involves embedding the designer's knowledge, constraints, and relationships into the model to facilitate easy modification and updates. Key principle of design intent in CATIA: parametric design. Use parameters, dimensions, angles to control the drive the geometry. Second is constraint and relations. Apply geometric constraint, for example, parallelism, perpendicular, perpendicularity to maintain relationships between features. Third, feature-based modeling. Build models using a series of features, for example, extrude revolves that defines the shape. And fourth is modularity. Design components and assemblies in a modular way to facilitate easy changes and reuse. And fifth one is associativity. Maintain links between related elements so that changes in one element propagate to others. Sixth one is robustness. Anticipate potential changes and design the model to accommodate them. Next is system requirements for CATIA. Operating system. Operating system in Windows: Windows 10, Windows 8.7, Windows 7, SPI 64-bit, Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 64-bit. Processor requirement for CATIA: minimum Intel Core i5 or AMD equivalent. Recommended Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 7 or better. Memory requirement: RAM for CATIA. Minimum requirement is 8 GB and recommended 16 GB for more. Graphical card requirement: minimum for CATIA is 1 GB RAM and recommended is 4 GB RAM or more. Storage requirement for CATIA: minimum 20 GB free hard disk space for installation and recommended solid state drive SSD with 50 GB. Display requirement for CATIA: minimum 1280 by 1024 resolution. Recommended is Full HD or high resolution. Getting started with CATIA. जैसे हम कटिया स्टार्ट करते हैं, हमें स्टार्ट मेनू बार में डिफरेंट टूल बार्स अवेलेबल होते हैं, डिफरेंट वर्क बेंचेस अवेलेबल होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, मैकेनिकल डिजाइन, शेप, एनालिसिस, सिमुलेशन, एसी एई प्लांट, मशीनिंग, etc. स्टैंडर्ड कटिया इंटरफेरेंस. इन कटिया V5 यूजर इंटरफेरेंस हमें अवेलेबल होता है मेनू बार, ऑनलाइन हेल्प, current applications, application toolbar, view toolbar, and file toolbar. Workbenches in CATIA for design modular in mechanical design are present is part designing, assembly designing, sketches, weld designing, drafting, wireframe and surface designing, generative sheet metal designing. Menu and toolbar in CATIA. For menu, we have requirement available in CATIA is start menu bar, file menu bar, exit menu bar, view, insert, window, and help menu bar are present. In toolbar menu bar, we start the view. In view, we start the toolbar. In toolbar, we have the different toolbar, standard toolbar, workbench toolbar, knowledge, view, and different toolbars are available in CATIA. Specification tree. Specification tree also available in CATIA for part XY plane, YZ plane, ZX plane, and part body are also available in specification tree. Graphical properties toolbar. In view toolbar, we have available toolbar, and in toolbar we have available is graphical properties. In graphical properties, many graphical properties are available for CATIA. Document management. In document management, different type of file elements are available for save the document and management. View manipulation. In view manipulation, different type of toolbars available in view manipulation. For example, flight mode, zoom in and zoom out, rotating element, and normal view bar. Shading toolbar. Different type of view manipulations are available. Standard toolbar. In standard toolbar, we have available file, open toolbar, save toolbar, cut toolbar, do, undo, and save toolbar are available.